guys, we're having another burping contest. As you know us as
the thrower-upper.
Yeah, she's the one that throws up when she drinks Coca-Cola, but we're using Pepsi this time, so she won't throw up.
Hopefully.
And I won't have to clean it up.
Hopefully.
So yeah. Again, if you guys don't know what a burping contest is obviously you drink as much hot as you can in about 10 seconds or so, and then you make the biggest burp as you can. And whoever makes the biggest burp wins. You guys judge, comment, subscribe, and yeah.
I feel it coming up.
That. Okay.
I can taste the jerky we just ate. I could have drooled on your table. Okay. We should switch. No. Okay, if I feel like
you just backwatched that.
Okay, ready?
Okay. 1, 2.
Wait till it says
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Julian.
Nice. Okay. She wins. Okay. Let's go again. Round 2. Round 2. There you go.
Okay, we start that.
She always wins these. I don't get it. How do you burp so loud?
Before you burp, let all the fizz come up. Like this.
Wait,
Try it. I'll try it with you.
Fail.
And look at this. Watch how I do it. Okay, so you take a drink, and then you breathe through your nose. Like, take a drink, breathe, because it leaves air bubbles. And when those air bubbles, watch this. I still burp when I laugh. Do you want to switch now? Are you sure? Ready? Count me for 5 seconds. Actually, 10 seconds.
Go.
Ready? Right now. You gotta count in your head.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, stop. I think.
I almost threw up. You just spit. Yeah. I almost threw up there. Don't make me laugh. It's gonna be loud.
Okay. She wins. I gotta give her that one. Okay, so yeah. Well, I think she won, but if you guys think I won, you know, that's cool too. You can comment and subscribe. That's cool too. Okay, so yeah.
If you think I'm prettier than her, comment that too, but
So
I just spit all over myself. I'm embarrassing myself.
But yeah, so 2 things to comment about: who won and who's prettier. Okay, so yeah, thanks, bye.